Hello. Today I thought I'd be sharpening the SOCP dagger. I just uploaded the video on me showing it and shaving little pieces of wood. Thought I would sharpen her up right now. I will be using Hops number 9 oil. My little sharpening stone kit that I use. I'll be starting off with this stone right here. I just take it and just spread the oil on the stone. And I just hold it at a 45-degree angle. And I just pretend like I'm taking a slice off the stone. Usually just drag it across the stone 20 times, being a dagger, so it'll be on each side. It's the first time I've ever sharpened this up. I just received it in the mail yesterday. Now I'm going to medium grit, made by Marbles, little pocket stone. Add a little bit more oil. I'm going to flip it to the other side and let my hand kind of rest for a bit. was 20 times on each side with the medium grit. That other little stone, I got it out of it was an old knife that was in. Then I got this finer stone. Add some oil to it. And then usually after each use I'll take it on my sharpening steel. Every time I use a knife and just swipe it on a steel. I'll let my hand rest for a minute. And the retention in the scabbard is really good in it. So far it seems that way. I don't know how it'll act when it's broke in by taking the dagger in and out of its scabbard. This is my honing stone. And then got it flipped it over. Well, kind of let my hand rest for a second. Feels like it's trying to cramp up on me. That was 20 times on the honing stone. Grab this old rag, wipe off the oil. I prefer to use oil because it'll help oil up my blade instead of using like water or anything. Feels like that put a pretty good edge on it. Shaved on this side. There's shaved hair on this side, so it took a pretty good edge. And after doing that, I got my stones out. I'll take it 5 more times on the honing stone. It's just something that I do. I got the SOCP dagger all sharpened up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments. If you like, subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you.